Hi there guys, bit of a serendipitous moment going on here because just yesterday I did a video and we were casting a Bronze Age piece of metal called a bun ingot. Well, over the weekend I got a delivery from a company, and what they've done is they've sent me in the post a package which I'm quite interested in seeing. A package containing a furnace with a set of tongs, all the gas regulator, a 6 kilogram graphite crucible, some foundry cement, and the furnace itself. So that'll go in the bottom. That's going to go on in there, full of metal. We'll sort out all of the gas rig, fire it up and see what it can do. But just for a second we need to get serious about something. This is a brand new crucible and it needs burning in, and it needs burning in steadily. And in fact, every time you put a crucible into an environment like this, you mustn't just turn it on flat out and think that's going to be okay, because you're going to have chemically bonded O2 particles, which is moisture, that cannot escape until everything reaches 250 degrees, and if you get there too quick you cause an explosion. So we can load it up straight away, however. So I've got some copper here, and because it's a nice 6 kilogram crucible, you can get some fairly big chunks in there, so that's kind of handy. And it's smelted that copper that I put in there. I've got to say, that's pretty good. So off, put that somewhere safe. I purposely didn't put tin in here because copper has a higher melting rate. Pop that back in there for safekeeping. Get that lid back on. "15 minutes, that's incredible. "15 minutes. Wow. So the furnace is made by Viva, like I say, just over 100 quid. You can have some good fun with that. I would recommend lighting it with the lid off. I had a few attempts at lighting it, and the popping was getting that was a bit challenging. So yeah, take the lid off, get it lit, and then put the lid on. But outside that, if you treat it well, it should give you some good fun. I'll stick all the links into the bottom of the post. Cheers guys.